Where blank going to study? Is you, you are you. Is you is wrong because you doesn't take is. You takes are, but in a normal sentence, you are going to study. And a full stop here. Normal sentence, not a question. In a question, we use are you going to study? And a question mark here. This is a question, so we choose this. Are you? Where are you going to study? It's too late. I blank go. Must to, have to, has to. Listen guys, must equals have to equals has to. They all have the same meaning. You can say I must go. It's the same as when you say I have to go. But you cannot say I has to go. I is wrong here because I doesn't take has. Has only comes with he, she, it. There is I here in the question, so has to is wrong. Also, this to is wrong. Must doesn't need to. I must go, not I must to go. So this is the answer. Have to. I have to go. James blank in his office now. Now is a keyword here that refers to the present continuous. Am or is or are plus ing. Here is the is plus the ing. So this is the correct answer. Is working. James is working in his office now. You do this one. I blank a book now. Is reading, am read. What's the answer, guys? Write your answer in the comments. Blank milk do we have? How much? How many? We use how much with things we cannot count, like liquids, water, juice, and any powder like sugar, salt. You cannot count sugar and salt, right? We use how many with anything we can count, like cat, cats, boy, boys, pen, pens. In the question here we have milk, which is a liquid, so we cannot count milk. So how much here? How much milk do we have? Blank your hands, please. You wash, to wash. When you give an order, start with the verb. Wash your hands. Open your book. Sit down. Do your homework. We start with the verb, the base verb, and nothing comes before it here. I haven't finished my homework blank. Already, yet, still. Yet is the only option here that comes at the end of a sentence. And this sentence should be negative with not or a question. This sentence is already negative with not here, and the space is at the end of the sentence, so yet is the best option here. I haven't finished my homework yet. You do this one. Blank students are in the class. How many? How much? What do you think, guys? Write your answer in the comments. I enjoy blank out. I enjoy eat out, enjoy to eat out, enjoy eating out. The key here is the verb enjoy. Verbs like, love, enjoy, hate, dislike are followed by the verb plus ing. So the answer here is eating. I enjoy eating out. Are you going to blank party? Dan's and Susie's party, apostrophe s here and apostrophe s here. Or Dan and Susie's party, only one apostrophe s at the second name. Dan's and Susie party, only one apostrophe s at the first name, Dan. Well, we say Dan's party, right? This is only one name, so we put apostrophe s to it. If we add another name, like Dan and Susie, here we add apostrophe s to the second name. Dan and Susie's, only one apostrophe s at the second name. Here's only one at the second name, so this is the correct answer. Are you going to Dan and Susie's party? It blank cold yesterday. Weren't, wasn't, were. So we have was and were. Was comes with I, he, she, it. Were comes with they, we, you. The sentence starts with it, and it takes was, and this is was in the negative form, wasn't. So this is the answer. I wish I blank rich. Is, am, were. You might think that am is the correct answer here, but it's wrong because this expression, I wish, is followed by the past, only the past. And when you wish that something could be true, but it's not true, like you wish to be rich, but you're not rich now, here you use were with I, with he, with she, with all pronouns. I wish I were rich. I wish he were rich. I wish she were rich. I wish Tom were rich. That's the shop, blank, I bought my bag. Which, where, who, when. Which refers to a thing, where refers to a place, who refers to a person, when refers to a time. Shop is a place, and with a place we use where. That's the shop where I bought my bag. You answer this one. This is the cake blank Mary made. Which, where, who, when. The key word here is the cake, which is a thing. So what's the answer, guys? Write your answer in the comments. My granddad blank tell us stories. Used, used to, used to. The answer is used to, with ed, with to. My granddad used to tell us stories. Means he would tell us stories in the past, but now he doesn't. So we use this structure, guys, used to talk about an action we would do in the past, only in the past, but now we don't. I was born blank April 3rd, 1995. In, on, at. In comes before months or years or seasons. On comes before days. At comes before clock time, like 3 o'clock. Here we have April, a month, 3rd, a day, 1995, a year. Listen, guys, because this question is confusing. If you have a full date like this, just look for the days. If there's a day, like here, 3, go for days. On. I was born on April 3rd, 1995. I don't care about the month. I don't care about the year. If there is a day, just use on. Thank you for watching.